Hello, my loves. It is your girl TIGGY, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I created blank spaces on my iPhone on iOS 14. I do have a 12 Pro Max, so it's not like it's jailbroken or anything like that. This is just me messing around with the capabilities that it has now. So, as you can see, I posted up on my poll this picture right here, and there's a blank space. The only reason why you can tell something is there is because it says Widgetsmith. But other than that, you can see everything else perfectly fine. So I am going to show you how I did this. I changed my wallpaper, so I need to change the widget that's there. I'll show you. So here is my home screen. I made a new wallpaper with Rihanna, and so the middle section does not match. Okay, so after you have everything set up, all you need to do is, if you have a widget there, you're gonna remove the widget. All right, and then you're gonna go into wiggle mode. When you go into wiggle mode, you need to swipe over to get to an empty page and take a screenshot, just like that, and hit done. The next thing I need you all to do is go into the description box down below, and there will be a link there for Clear Spaces, and that's going to pull up the App Store on your phone. So once you have that downloaded, you're just going to open up Clear Spaces, and this is what it's going to look like. And all you need to do is tap on whichever one you have. So the one to the left says no image set, but at the bottom it's light mode, and then as you can see to the right is dark mode. So pick which one you have, and then you're going to tap on the square, and it's going to open up your photo gallery, and you're going to tap on the screenshot that you just took, and that's it, and you're going to exit out. So then you're going to go to your home screen, and you're going to press and hold. Go back into edit mode and hit the plus at the top left. And you're going to scroll down and find Clear Spaces. Now, Clear Spaces, as you can see, doesn't have a name. I don't know if it's going to be like that for everyone, but for me, for some reason, there's no name there. And then it's just the square. Okay, so you're going to tap on that if yours shows like that as well. And then we're going to pick. So I want a medium widget. So all you need to do is press and hold so that you can move it wherever you need it to go. And then as you can see, that's not the one that I wanted. I wanted the middle section. But if you just tap on it, you can choose top, middle, or bottom, and it's going to automatically change for you. And then I can move it and hit done. And now we have Clear Spaces. With this app, as you can see, there is no words under the widget. So that's probably like my favorite thing about it. But I hope that this video was easy for you all and that you enjoyed. And as always, I hope you have a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night wherever you are in the world. Bye, loves. Mwah.